Do you have these money beliefs that are keeping you poor? Now that's a question worth pondering over. We're about to embark on a journey that exposes 9 common misconceptions about money. These beliefs, often ingrained in us from an early age, can act as barriers to our financial freedom. They can keep us stuck in a cycle of scarcity, preventing us from achieving the wealth we desire and deserve. We're going to dive deep into each of these beliefs, revealing why they're not only wrong but also harmful. We'll pull apart the fabric of these misconceptions, examining their origins and how they've been perpetuated over time. But more importantly, we'll share strategies to overcome them, to rewrite your financial story, and to pave the way towards abundance. So brace yourself for a journey of unlearning and relearning, a journey towards financial enlightenment. Stay tuned to find out what these beliefs are and how to overcome them. First up, the belief that rich people are greedy and dishonest. This is a common misconception that can paint a warped picture of wealth in your mind. Let's break it down. It's easy to assume that those with wealth must have acquired it through dishonest means or by being overly greedy. But this perspective is flawed. In reality, many wealthy individuals have amassed their fortunes through hard work, smart investments, and entrepreneurial spirit. Yes, there are exceptions, but they are just that, exceptions, not the rule. This mindset can be a major roadblock on your journey to financial freedom. If you believe that wealth is inherently linked to negative traits, you may subconsciously resist opportunities to grow your own wealth. It's essential to understand that wealth in itself is not a character trait. It's what you do with it that defines you. Remember, wealth does not equate to greed or dishonesty. Next, let's tackle the belief that you're not good with money. This mindset can be a self-fulfilling prophecy, leading to poor financial habits and choices. It's like saying, "I'm not good at driving," before you've even taken a driving lesson. In reality, nobody is born with a natural ability to manage money. It's a learned skill. Think about it. If you've never been taught how to budget, save, or invest, how can you expect to be good at it? It's not about innate talent, it's about education and practice. Financial literacy isn't taught in most schools, but that doesn't mean it's beyond your reach. There are countless resources out there, from books to online courses and podcasts. Don't let this belief hold you back. Instead, challenge it. Start learning about personal finance today. Remember, even the most successful investors started from scratch. Everyone can learn to be good with money. It just takes education and practice. Now let's address the belief that there's never enough money to go around. This notion, my friends, is the embodiment of a scarcity mindset. It's a trap that hinders us from seeing the plethora of opportunities around us. Picture this. You're in an orchard, and you believe there are only a few apples up for grabs. With this mindset, you scramble, you hoard, you stress. But what if I told you that this orchard is ever growing with apples aplenty? You'd approach it differently, wouldn't you? You'd take what you need, you'd share, you'd even plant more trees. This is the reality of money. There's no finite pie that we're all fighting for a slice of. Money is continuously being created, circulated, and invested. It's not about grabbing what you can and holding on for dear life. It's about understanding the flow, finding opportunities, and creating value. Shift your mindset to one of abundance. There is more than enough to go around. I hope you're enjoying the video. Please like and subscribe for more content to help you achieve financial freedom. The belief that you need money to make money is a common one. It's a phrase we've all heard, and many of us accept as a universal truth. But is it really? This belief can actually limit your opportunities and potential income sources. Imagine you're standing before a vast ocean filled with potential, but you're afraid to dive in because you believe you need a yacht. But here's the thing, you can still swim. You can still explore. You can still discover treasures beneath the surface. The world is full of examples where people started with little to no money and built empires. They leveraged their skills, their creativity, and their determination instead of a hefty bank balance. They found ways to make money that didn't require a large upfront investment. So don't let this belief hold you back. Look for ways to make money that don't require a large upfront investment. Many of us believe that there's too much competition out there. This belief can be a daunting barrier, casting a shadow over our ambitions and aspirations. But let's take a different perspective. Suppose you're eager to start a new venture, but you're held back by the fear that there are already too many players in the field. What you're forgetting is that competition exists because there's a demand. Yes, there are others who have recognized the same opportunity as you, but that doesn't mean there's no room for you. In fact, competition can be a catalyst for innovation, compelling us to think outside the box, to offer something different, something better. Remember, no two businesses, no two ideas, and certainly no two individuals are exactly alike. Your unique approach, your unique perspective, could be exactly what the market is looking for. So don't let the fear of competition discourage you. Competition isn't a barrier. It's a sign that there's a market for what you're offering. The belief that you can't change your financial situation is a damaging one. This mindset is a self-fulfilling prophecy. It keeps individuals trapped in a cycle of financial insecurity and stress. It's like a dark cloud that overshadows the potential for financial growth and prosperity. Let's debunk this. Your financial situation isn't set in stone. It's not a fixed entity, but rather a fluid one, always changing and always open to improvement. It's important to remember that financial change often doesn't happen overnight. It's a gradual process requiring consistent effort, patience, and a strong will to learn and adapt. Think of your financial situation as a journey, not a destination. There will be peaks and valleys, but every step is a chance to learn, to grow, and to make better choices. Embrace the power of financial education, strategic planning, and the magic of compound interest. Remember, it's never too late to start. You have the power to change your financial situation. Next, let's debunk the belief that money is the root of all evil. It's a phrase we've all heard, and it's one that can create a harmful relationship with money. But let's get one thing straight. Money, in itself, is not evil. Money is merely a tool, an exchange medium that allows us to buy goods and services. Where the confusion arises is in how people use money and the lengths they go to acquire it. When the pursuit of wealth overshadows all else, ethics, relationships, personal growth, that's where the trouble begins. The love of money, rather than money itself, can lead to immoral actions. So instead of viewing money as the villain, we should focus on fostering a healthy relationship with it. Understand its value, but don't let it dictate your life. Use it to facilitate your goals, not to define them. Money is a tool, not the root of all evil. Another common belief is that debt is always bad. But let's think about it. Is all debt truly detrimental? The answer is no. There's a considerable difference between good debt and bad debt. Bad debt is typically associated with purchases that quickly lose their value and do not generate long-term income. Think of it as taking out a loan for a lavish vacation or buying an expensive gadget on credit. On the contrary, good debt is an investment that will grow in value or generate long-term income. This could be a mortgage for a home, a student loan for education, or a business loan for a promising venture. These types of debt can be part of a larger financial strategy, potentially offering returns far greater than their cost. So, while it's true that reckless borrowing can lead to financial ruin, strategic and responsible borrowing can actually pave the way to wealth and financial freedom. Not all debt is bad. Understanding the difference is key. Lastly, the belief that you'll start saving or investing when you earn more money. This mindset is a classic financial trap. It's like waiting for the perfect moment to start a diet or exercise routine. The perfect moment never arrives. Here's the truth. There's rarely a sudden influx of cash that allows you to start saving or investing. More often than not, as income increases, so does expenditure. This phenomenon is called lifestyle inflation. You earn more, you spend more, and you're still left with nothing at the end of the month. Instead, consider this. Start small. Even if it's just a tiny fraction of your income, start saving and investing that. Over time, this habit will grow, and so will your wealth. It's not about the amount you start with, it's about developing the discipline and the habit. So don't delay. Don't wait for a bigger paycheck or a lottery win. Start saving and investing now, no matter how small the amount. Remember, your beliefs shape your reality. Change your beliefs and you can change your financial future. It's time to shake off these misconceptions and set sail on your journey to financial freedom. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content that will inspire you to achieve your financial dreams.